you're just in awe of it. It's just a beautiful, beautiful animal. It's as if something primal is stirred in you. It's very exciting. It's not like anything I've ever seen before.
A sound that I'd never heard before, not live. It really kind of grabbed me and grabbed my emotions. Almost like a distant memory that I know I didn't have because I'd never heard the sound before. It surprised me very much how it affected me emotionally.
As if all those like bedtime stories and fairy tales that people have told you about, like the wolves, like the big bad wolf, they're all there, but they're not real.